So hello guys, welcome to coding mode. Today we are going to take a look at how we can create an GitHub repository where we can save our data, save our codes and our folders, and how we can get that data to our computer, get that data or any data to our computer with the help of Git. So now firstly, let's install the software called Git. Now let's go to download Git, download for Windows, and 64-bit for Windows setup. I'm going to install this, guys, and now open this. So now next, 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 the next, 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 next.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I have done installing this Git for Windows. Now let's create one GitHub account. If you haven't created one GitHub account, now let's create. That's really quick and easy, guys. All you need to do is sign up and type your email. Continue, password, and username. I will take that username, and now let's change this username to boy123. Now let's do continue. No, for now, no. And verify. Let's. I'm not robot. As you can see, guys, I'm not robot. I'm a human being. So now let's tell the GitHub account that I'm a human being. Now let's create the account. They send me a code. Wait a minute, guys. I have to write the code here. Now let's paste my code here. Now let's do just for me. Continue, and then continue, and for free. Now we have created our GitHub account, guys. So now what we need to do is we need to create one repository here. So now let's create one repository where we're going to put our file. Now let's give this name first try. First try. A description, nothing for now. This will be private. Add a readme and then create a repository. Now we have done creating a repository. First thing first, what we need to do to send the data to our GitHub account or get the data from our GitHub account is we need to create one SSH key to our computer. So now let's create one SSH key. Now let's go to the setting, and then let's go to SSH key. Now let's how to generate SSH key. Let's see how we can generate the SSH key. So now what we need to do to generate the SSH key is we need to give this command to our computer. Now let's go to our files, and then user file, and then our file, and then left click and git bash here. After opening this control panel of this command panel, now we are going to get the command from our GitHub account and then copy and then paste it here. We are going to paste it here and typing our email. Our email is our email of our account. This is my email. So now let's enter again, and now let's type on password. It won't show here, guys, so you need to be very careful when you are typing the password. Now we have generated our SSH key in our user folder. As you can see, guys, here it is. And what we need to do is now we just need to we can put our files and get the files from our from GitHub. Now we have access of our GitHub account. Now another thing what we need to do is we need to add the key here, add the new SSH key here. Title will be first key, and the link, the key we have just created here in our user account, user folder. Here it is. We have one file. We have created one folder called SSH by command panel. Now let's open this, and then open this .pub with second, and then let's open with Visual Studio Code, and let's copy this. Let's copy this code, and then let's paste it here. Now add SSH key. We have added one SSH key to our computer, to our account. So we have access to our account in this computer. So we have now one directory. We can get this directory to our computer, or we can send data to this directory from our computer. So first let's get this directory to our computer and put some folder in this directory, and then send it to GitHub account. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to open this, and then copy this SSH link, copy, and then go to our folder, go to our folder, and then create a new folder for Git. I'm going to create this, give this name for Git, and under this I'm going to git bash here. Open the left, open the control panel, uh, open the core command panel. So the command is to get the data, get the directory to our computer is uh, clone git git clone, and the link we have just copied, paste here, and enter. Or it said now type yes, and then let's enter our password. Now we have get our first try this directory in our computer. Now what we need to do is we need to put the folder or file what we need to what we want to send to our GitHub account, GitHub platform. So now let's send any file. For example, this file, this folder, uh, to the and I'm going to send this to my GitHub account. So git bash here. What we haven't sent a status, as you can see here. Git status will show what we need to send. We need to send c1, which is my folder I just created now. So now let's do git add and -a. It will add this file to our directory. And now let's do another command called git commit -m, and then comment. The comment is going to be whatever you want. I have saved my file. Now let's enter. So now what we need to do is we need to we need to give another command git, and then another command is we need to do is push. Now let's push this. Give your password. When it's done, we can go to our GitHub account, and we can see our file folder there. Now we can go to our account, and then when we refresh this, when we refresh, we can see our when we refresh, we can see our folder here. So here it is. Here is my folder. So if you guys want to get that folder to your computer, you just need to copy this. Go to code, copy this, and then paste where you want to get that folder. As you can see, git bash here. Let's click and then clone, and this link paste here, and you can get uh, git, sorry guys, git clone, and then this link and paste here. And done, guys. You can get your file or folder here in your computer. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time.